Let's perform an end-of-month stocktake for your company. To initiate a stocktake, select Process and then select Count Inventory. Pastel will ask you if you want to rebuild the batch quantities before you run the Count Inventory option. When you process your stocktake, you should always rebuild your inventory files by selecting Yes on this message. After selecting Yes, a Data Integrity Assistant will open. The Data Integrity Assistant is there to help you to perform an accurate stocktake. As you can see, Rebuild Batch Quantities Only is already selected. We can select Process. The Integrity Assistant has completed a check and no errors were detected. Because there were no errors, we can select Finish. When you select Next, Pastel will take a snapshot of your inventory as it stands at that exact moment. When you're ready, select Next. Pastel now wants to know what items to include in the snapshot. By default, it's set as all items. When you're ready, select Next. Now it's time to process your snapshot. Select Process when you're ready. Pastel will alert you that all your items have been captured. Select OK. Then select Continue. Below this video is an example of a count sheet that Pastel would print out for you. On that count sheet, you'll fill in the exact amount of inventory located in your warehouse. Because we have already printed our count sheet and filled in the inventory amount, select this option over here. This option here will take us to a screen where we can enter in the inventory count that we just took. Select Show Items in Snapshot Only. When this block is selected, it will only show the items in the snapshot at that moment we took it. When you're ready, select Next. Now it's time to enter in the inventory quantities that we recorded. In our inventory warehouse, we found 9 oak tables, 15 pine chairs, 20 modern tables, 49 office chairs, and 20 office tables. Once this is completed, select Next. Pastel will automatically select the next option for you to take. This option is Print Account Variance Report, which shows you a variance between theoretical and physical quantities. This report will show you any differences, surpluses, or shortages of inventory. Select Next. From the screen, you have an option to change the print to. If I select this drop-down menu, you can select to send it to your printer, an Excel document, a Word document, an email, or even a PDF. For now though, we're just going to select Screen. Then select OK. The count variance report should match the image located below this video. Once you've analyzed this report, you can close that window. Pastel will again automatically select the next option for you to take. This next option is to update the differences between the theoretical and the physical quantities. When you're ready, select Next. Select the month for which you're doing the inventory count, and then select the transaction date. When you're ready, select Next. Pastel will now give you a final warning saying the operation that you're about to take is irreversible. Once you've read the notification, select Process. Finally, select Finish. Our stock take is now complete, and the inventory we have on hand is exactly the same as what is reflected in our books. Be sure to take note of any large differences between your physical quantities and your theoretical quantities. If this difference is very large in your variance report, then perhaps you should retake your stock count. If you reach the same result twice, then you can update the physical quantities. If there is a large amount of inventory missing, internal controls should be implemented. On the next page, you'll have an opportunity to check the accuracy of your progress with one of the answers provided.